Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to unrestrict someone on Messenger. So let's suppose that you have restricted someone on Messenger, but now you actually want to unrestrict them, but you don't know how to do this. So in this video I will tell you this. So first of all, you will open up Messenger on your Android and iOS device, and then you will tap on the three lines at the top left here, and then tap on the gears icon at the top right here, settings option. And then if you scroll down here, tap on privacy and safety, and here you can see that restricted accounts. Just tap on this one, and here you can see that I have restricted this account. So just tap on their account here, and their chat will be open up, and here they say unrestrict. So I will just tap on this one, and now you can see that I have unrestricted this account. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.